Let's solve one previous question of set theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2014 set 1 question number 50. Let S denote the set of all functions f 0 1 power 4 to 0 1. Denote by n the number of functions from S to the set 0 1. The value of log base 2 n is dash. I already discussed that number of functions from set A to set B equals to set B cardinality power set A cardinality. Now S denote the set of all functions from 0 1 power 4 to 0 1. So here it contains 2 power 4 elements. Now set of functions from 0 1 power 4 to 0 1, and here it contains 2 elements. So set of functions from 2 power 4 elements to 2 equals to 2 power 4. So S equals to 2 power 4. So next we need to find n. N is the number of function from S to 0 1. S contains 2 power 4. From that we need to find the number of function to 0 1. 0 1 means number of element equals to 2, cardinality equals to 2. So n equals to number of functions from 2 power 4 to 2. It will be 2 power 4. Now we got n. Next we need to find log base 2 n. So log base 2 2 power 4. Now log base to this, it will be log 2 power 4. Again log base 2 of this, it will be 2 power 4. And what is 2 power 4? It's 16. So answer will be 16. The value of log base to n is 16. For solving this question, you should know the number of functions possible from set A to set B. It's B cardinality power A cardinality. If you know this formula, you can easily solve this question. I already discussed this during the function lecture. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.